Hello everyone! In today's video, we are going to learn about basic addition for kids. First of all, what is addition? Addition is nothing but putting things together. So what is addition? Addition is putting things together. This is the sign of addition, also called the plus sign. Let's understand with examples. We have 3 paint brushes and then we have 2 more paint brushes. If we bring them together or when we add them together, so what is going to be the number? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 3 plus 2 will be equal to 5 paint brushes. Let's see one more example. We have 4 bells and we have 4 more bells. When we put them together or add them together, what do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 4 bells plus 4 bells will be equal to 8 bells. This was easy, wasn't it? All you did was count objects together. But what if there are no objects? How will you do addition then? Is it even possible? Yes, it's very simple. Let's see how. All you need is to use your mind and fingers for that. That's right. You will just need to use your mind and fingers for that. Let me show you how. You have to remember 2 rules for this. First is keep the big number in your mind. And the second is open as many fingers as the small number and count them after the big number. So will you remember that? Keep the big number in your mind. Next is open as many fingers as the small number and count them after the big number. Let's see how to do this. Suppose you have to add 3 plus 6. How are you going to do this? The big number is 6. So we are going to put 6 in the mind. And the small number is 3. So we are going to open 3 fingers. Then we are going to count the 3 fingers after 6. That is the big number. So we are going to have 7, 8 and 9. So 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Wasn't that easy? Let's try one more time. Add 7 plus 2 now. What is the big number? 7. So it goes in the mind. And the small number is 2. So we open 2 fingers. Let's count 2 fingers after 7. So that will be 8 and 9. 7 plus 2 will be equal to 9. One more time. 4 plus 4. Now here both the numbers are the same. So never mind. We are going to keep one number in the mind and the other will be on the fingers. So we will keep 1 4 in the mind and the other 4 will be on the fingers. Let's count 4 fingers after 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 4 plus 4 will be equal to 8. Now your turn. Add 1 and 5 together and tell me the answer. That's right. You put big number 5 in your mind and one finger will be open. So 1 after 5 will be 6. So the answer is 1 plus 5 equals to 6. Great job. Let's do the other one now. 2 plus 3. Big number will be 3. That will be in the mind. And small number 2, we are going to open 2 fingers. We are going to count after 3, 4 and 5. So 2 plus 3 will be equal to 5. Next is 2 plus 2. 1, 2 will be in the mind. The other 2 we are going to open the fingers and count after 2, which will be 3 and 4. So 2 plus 2 will be equal to 4. You did great. I hope you enjoyed learning addition with me as much as I enjoyed teaching it to you. See you again very soon in another video. Until next time, goodbye and do take good care.